up, Web3? It's me, Krista 2 Moons, right here at the Function1. And right now, I'm with the software engineer of Drospect, Mr. Denis. Hi, how have you been?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I'm very excited to be here and doing this interview. And I'm excited to tell you about the company, what we do, and who we are as a company.
How's the conference so far?
Yeah, it's quite lively. I did not expect this much people, to be honest. I thought it would be like a smaller event, but I've been impressed and I've been loving the energy and talking with lots of people, learning about their products and everything. It's been quite eye-opening.
Now let's talk about the company and what are you showcasing today?
Of course. So our company is Drospect. We are pretty much just automating the inspection of solar panels by using drones. We fly the drones, upload the images on our website, and we tell you where and what the problems of the solar panels are.
And what problems are currently, what do you call this, solving that other companies cannot?
Of course. So the main thing that how people do the inspection is they have a technician. They go one by one to the solar panel, which takes a lot of time. So it's better to just have a drone fly over and do the images for us, and then have us inspect the images using the AI model and tell you exactly and precisely with 99% accuracy where the problems are.
What is Drospect's main mission and vision?
So the main mission is just pretty much just improving on the solar panel capacities and having bigger farms, making it easier for solar farms to have more farms to produce energy. Since pretty much energy is the future, solar is pretty much the future.
Perfect. Out of curiosity, it's a 2025. Do you think AI is a threat or a tool for humanity?
No, it's pretty much no way. It's a threat since it's helping us automate and make things easier for us. Now imagine people that used to do things that took days or weeks or years. If they can be done in a matter of seconds or minutes, now that's quite amazing what we accomplished so far.
Thank you so much. And then after Function1, where is Jospec heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
So we want to expand more to America. So our co-founder is from Chicago, and we want to just go there in America since the market is big there. So we just want to, but pretty much we just want to go around the world. It's a product that's global since solar panels are pretty much everywhere. So we are not tied by any region.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dennis. And the last question, what do you think is the future of money?
Pretty much we have been using cards and everything, so I think it's heading out on the virtual market, or as with cryptocurrencies, cash is becoming like old school. Since I've been here in Dubai, I don't think I've seen anyone pay with cash. It's been mostly by card, so that's quite shocking because where we come from, it's mostly cash. But it's interesting to have everything on your phone. You have your phone everywhere where you go, and you can just pay as you go.
Thank you. That's great. Now, Dennis, describe this event in one word.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal. That's it. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is Krista 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I hope you guys check Drospect. We'd love to collaborate with anyone.